Hey there, fixer. So this is how to reset your oil life on a 2019 Ram pickup truck. So you want to see these buttons right here. So your car must be ignition on but engine off. So you're gonna see your buttons here, and you're gonna see right there in the center console. So you're gonna go back, and then you're gonna see that change. You want to where it says vehicle information. You want to go down, and then you want to press right or the little select button that's right there, the top one. And then you want to go down, down, down. So you go down with this until you find oil life. Right there. I already reset it, but this is how you do it, right? So you're going to press and hold the right button or the select button. Press and hold it. And it's going to say confirm reset, yes, no. You're going to push yes. You're going to press again, select or the right button. And it's going to reset it for you. So that's how you do it, guys. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.